Hi everyone, I have received the Dewalt DCH150 and it's a great rotary hammer drill, cordless, brushless motor. We have the problem and the chisel sometimes just get out. I will remove the cap to clean it. You can see that the dirt is coming out immediately, and of course we have a lot of grease and dirt here, the old grease. Okay, I will try to find the spring ring here. Yep, we have the spring ring which needs to be removed. And now goes the cap, and you can see that this cap is full of old grease and dirt. You can see the ball that holds the chisel. Of course the plate, and you can see that the groove in the plate here is all full of dirt. So now I need to clean it. Of course the tool holder, the hole here, it's full of dirt too. We will start from the spring, then the washer, of course goes the ball. I will put some grease here. Not a lot of grease. Now goes the cap, the spring ring, and the rubber cap. You can see that we have easily reassembled the wood holder, chisel holder for this hammer drill, and now we need to try to put the drill bit here. And it seems that it's not getting out now. Okay, I will try to chiseling maybe. It's chiseling really good. I try to force it to go out, but I have no luck, so I think that it's fixed only by cleaning the bit holder. For now, thank you for watching.